Item preferences are settings that apply to all item records. These can be accessed by selecting items from your Preferences page. We will be covering the Item Defaults tab for this portion of the training. Policy mapping and cataloging are a bit more advanced. For this reason, we recommend contacting our customer support team for information on these settings. The Cover Art tab is where you will find the default images for various medium types. The Item Defaults tab allows you to set the next barcode number for Alexandria to use when assigning barcodes to new copies. Similarly to setting patron barcodes, the number scheme you create needs to be a minimum of 3 digits long with a maximum of 15 digits. We do not recommend having leading zeros at the beginning of your barcodes, as they will not be recognized by Alexandria. We suggest providing your item vendors with a different barcode range than what has been assigned within Alexandria. Be sure to make note of what the range was to prevent any duplicate barcodes. Policy and medium is where you set the default policy and medium that will apply to items added into the system. The copy location and status defaults and the temporary item settings are only applicable to those customers that utilize interlibrary item loans or temporary items. For details on those settings, we recommend speaking with customer support. The default Z3950 set is where you designate the Z3950 address book that the title assistant will use when adding new items. We'll cover Z3950 address books in more detail later on.